Remember by Jack Johnson is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. There are 2 main parts to this song, the verse part and a few variations, and also the chorus part. So the riff's going to start off sliding from 3 to 5 on the low E string, then we're going to grab 3, 5, down to 3 with the 3rd finger on the A string. So we've got 3 to 5 sliding on the low E, 3, 5, 3 on the A, and we're going to play the middle part of a C chord, so D, G and B strings. We're then going to play the high E and B strings together, and straight away catch G hammering onto 2nd fret there. Okay, so far slide down to the C, a little up, hammer on. We're then going to catch open high E, 1st fret on the B, 2nd fret on the G, going to open. Okay, so put that all together slowly. Time. We're then going to go to a G chord. I tend to use the 3rd finger, 2nd finger and pinky finger for this because it's an easier transition to the G. And also before we go into the chorus later, we're going to play this G sus4 chord. So it's useful to use these 3 fingers to play the G rather than the standard G chord. Okay, for the G, play bass note on the low E, down, up, down, bass. We have another riff, 5 sliding up to 7 on the A, then 5, 3, pulling off to open on the A, so. And after the G, go to an F bar chord, bass on low E, down, bass, same rhythm. Another riff, 3 sliding up to 5 on the E, 3, 5 on the A, down to 3 on the A again, using the 3rd finger again here so we can go straight to our C chord. So we have bass, strum down on the middle strings, and then up, and then take the 2nd finger off, and strum down up. So bass down, up with the finger off, then we go back to the low E string at the 3rd fret, and this is where we kind of start the riff again. One more time slowly, we have the riff, C, G, riff, F, back to a C, and start again. So there's a couple of little variations, mainly on the F chord in the verse, so we always start the same way. We change when we get to the F chord here. So for the first variation on the F chord, we play bass, down, up, and then immediately slide from 3 to 5 on the A, catch the open G, slide 3 to 5 on the A again, and then 3, open, 3 to the C chord. That's normal. So for the F, bass, down, up, slide, catch the G, slide again immediately, 3, open, 3 to the C. Back through as normal. The second variation on the F chord is a bit simpler. We kind of just strum the chords. We play bass, down, bass, down, up. Take our fingers off for the last 4 and 4 round down up strum. So bass, down, bass, down. To the C. Same as normal. The very last time through the verse before we go to the chorus, we're just going to add 1 bar of a G sus4, like I mentioned before. So it's the same as the G chord, we just got the 1st finger added on the B string at the 1st fret. We're going to play bass, down, up, off, and we take the finger off for the 4 and the 4 and there, the 1st finger. So we just have a standard G. So bass, down, up, off. We've got 4 bars of G. Bass, down, up, same rhythm throughout. wrote there. Then to an F major 7 chord, third finger, third fret of the D, second finger, second fret of the G, first finger, first fret of the B, open high E string. Same rhythm, bass on the D, down, up, down, up. We're then going to walk down to the second fret on the D string. That's an E note, open G, first fret of the B, open high E, same rhythm. So from the fourth bar on the G, we've got bass down, up, F major 7, bass walking down to 2. We then got 6 bars of D minor, bass down, up. On the 6th bar of D minor, we do play it slightly differently. We have bass down, up, off, as we transition to a G chord. So we've got bass down, up, off, G, down, up, onto an F major chord, bass down, up, E minor chord, bass down, up, then D minor, straight on, off, little riff, 3-5 on the E, 3-5-3 on the A, going to a C chord. That takes us back to the start of the verse. Okay, so the last bar. The very last time through the song is the same. D, coming off, little riff, 3-5, single strum of a C chord. So the whole chorus, starting from the G sus4 chord, is bass down, up, 4 bars of G. Then go to the F chord, bass walks down, D minor. G, F, E minor. For more Jack Johnson tutorials, please check out this link here. You can grab a free PDF tab of this song from my website. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, happy practicing, and take care.